Hey everybody, I'm going to show you real quick how we usually make the blood for my horror films. It's a very cheap, quick, and easy process that's been used for many years. So first, red food coloring, some chocolate powder, powdered sugar, some water. Throw that all in a blender, mix it up. Don't use too much chocolate powder though, or else it'll get a little too dark. Throw your water in. Be very generous with red food coloring. Mix all that at a low setting so you're not splashing it all over the blender and wasting all your blood. So yeah, that's pretty much it. It's very, very simple and easy to make. But I'd say the thing I really like about this blood, besides the fact that I can make a ton of it for literally no money, is that it's 100% edible and it's 100% safe for your actors, and you could use it for like mouth blood and stuff like that. But yeah, thanks for watching my video and have a happy Halloween.